Alright, welcome back to the channel guys. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Another hope everyone is doing great. Today is going to be a super exciting day because it is going to be the first time we are going to ride in this year. Not a long ride, it's going to be a breakfast ride and it is so cold here and in such a beautiful weather. You see that 13 degrees right now. You can see a ton of fog. I'm not sure if the camera is going to capture that, but look at that sunrise, such a beautiful sunrise. If this was in 2018-19 or something, I would take the bike and go to Rajasthan. That is one epic location, especially in winter season. At least car mein try karna. Maybe this month or maybe at least in Feb we should do something here. Chalo abhi to let's get ready and get out. Alright, the typical thing that I have to do, take my helmet, take my jacket, take all my biking accessories. I'm going to take my Ntorq and go to his place just beside my house. And then we have a lot of options there. Let me go and show it to you. I don't know if we have that much time to showcase, but లేక అన్ని గుర్తు పెట్టుకొని లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంటే గ్లౌజ్ తెచ్చుకున్నా, రెండు డిఫరెంట్ తెచ్చా. Alright, I'm here. I'm at 6:50 AM in the morning. As usual, we have to get it. It's been long since I've repeated this particular dialogue, but here is the lineup. The group is here. Good morning, boys.
Good morning.
Energetic?
Huh?
Very late.
Very late.
క్యాఫీన్ అయితే దొరికింది.
మనోడు 6:20 కాల్ చేశారా, రెడీ రా అంటే గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
వాడికన్నా ముందు వచ్చానా లేదా? కిందికి.
No, today Chaitanya is going to be first. He has to come fast.
నేను చాలా ముందు ఉంటాను, పెట్రోల్ బంక్ లో ఉంటాను. నేను చాలా ముందు, మీకు అనిపియా?
Introducing to you our new bike in the group, the Panigale V4S. I'll just show you the lineup. This is the first one, obviously. We have to showcase this. The most beautiful looking bike of the group right now. Until some time, one more beautiful bike is going to come. So when I said in my Instagram post that this is the second most beautiful bike in the world on the planet, then a lot of people ask me, obviously, what is the first one? So that is going to come. Then we have the R90. How can we not show that first one? Himalayan. Am I riding this one or the Street Fighter?
We have time for both.
We have time for everything. So, but to start with, maybe I'll start with the Pikes Peak. This is the Jungli. దెయ్యం నన్ను భయపెట్టిన బండి V4S Ducati Street Fighter. అది లేదు
V4S అంటే పానగలకి స్ట్రీట్ ఫైటర్ ఇది ఒక్కటే తేడా, అంతా సేమ్.
అంటే రైడింగ్ పొజిషన్, ఈవెన్ రైడింగ్ పొజిషన్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్. దాని మీద పడుకుంటావు, దీని మీద నుంచుంటావు,
బట్ ఇంజన్ లో ఏం డిఫరెన్స్ లేదు కదా.
సేమ్, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ సేమ్. Hi, we met before. Sriman. Correct. Okay, so we have the Diavel as well today, and Mr. Arun is finally here in my video for the first time, I think, with his beautiful. See, I was talking about the first most beautiful bike on the planet. It was this MV Agusta. If anything can beat a Ducati in terms of looks, I think MV Agusta does that. F4RR. Options are like crazy, dude. All the V4s are here. 3 V4s, 4 actually. The Street Fighter, we have the Pikes Peak, we have the Diavel, and we have the brand new Panigale V4S. Okay, today I'm going to ride the Street Fighter V4S. I've ridden this before. Only thing is, I should have got my gloves. Every time I keep saying this, I got my gloves, but this time Shen etlundante ఒకటి ఇంకో డిజైన్ ఇంకోటి రైనాక్స్ పట్టుకొచ్చిన, చేతికి ఇలా అందినే తీసుకొచ్చేసిన, మళ్ళీ మర్చిపోయిన లోపలికి వెళ్ళి మరి పట్టుకొచ్చిన. నేను కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేస్తా జనరేటర్. అరుపు, కోపం, వారికి పోతున్న సౌండ్ వస్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ కోల్డ్. బయట 13 degrees ఉంటే డుకాటి మాత్రం ఇట్ షోయింగ్ 19 degrees. ఆల్రెడీ సెకండ్ టైం ఐమ్ ఫీలింగ్ బైక్ ఈజ్ ఓకే. అంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం నడిపినప్పుడు మస్తు ఇంటిమిడేటింగ్ అనిపించింది, బట్ నా ఇట్స్ అండర్స్టూడ్, అంటే తెలిసిపోయింది దిస్ హౌ ద ఇంజన్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి. కొత్త వాడిని పడుకోబెడుతున్నాడు అప్పుడే, ఈ స్లీపింగ్ ద బైక్. రే మామూలు చలి లేదురా. హీటెడ్ గ్రిప్స్ ఉన్నాయారా దీనికి? Street Fighter ke? Oh, there is a heated grips option here if you see, but it's an added accessory this bike doesn't have. I mean, it's an add-on, which is also not bad. I mean, it is quite aggressive. Not talking of the engine, I'm talking about the way you sit on it, the position. The sound is magical. చలి పెడుతుంది, బట్ నో ప్రాబ్లం, వీ హ్యావ్ V4 ఇంజన్. చేతులు జర ఇట్లా పెట్టుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఏం సౌండ్ రా దీని అమ్మ, అసలు అర్థమవుతలే. ముందు నచ్చకపోతుండే కదా మన డుకాటీ సౌండ్, ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు ఇంత బాగుంది? Panigale on such amazing roads. How do you feel, Chaitanya? Off-roading on the Panigale. Okay, before anyone asks me, looking at the Panigale right in front of me, why is there a yellow sticker on the bike? Is it a taxi plate? It's not that. In Telangana state, when you get a brand new bike, you get a temporary registration. Permanent registration, you have to get it done after, I think, within 30 days. I don't know why is the policy like that, but first you get a temporary registration, which looks good, you know. It looks very different. It makes you feel you have a brand new car or a bike when you have that yellow sticker. So yeah, that is the thing behind the yellow sticker in Telangana state. It's not a taxi plate, okay? కాసేపు ఈ జనరేటర్లు బంద్ చేద్దామా? నైస్ హీట్ నాకు కావాలి. ఐ నీడ్ హీట్ నా, చేతులు బీసుకపోయినాయి. బట్ ఫైనల్ సింగిల్ సైడెడ్ స్వింగ్ ఆర్మ్ బైక్స్ లెఫ్ట్ ఫర్ దిస్ జనరేషన్ ఆఫ్ Ducati, Street Fighter and Panigale. Okay, this is the place we need to actually ride such bikes. ఇప్పుడు దాకా నడిపినంత సిటీలో, విచ్ ఇస్ బక్వాస్. లిటరలీ ఐడింగ్ స్పీడ్లో వచ్చినప్పుడు కదంతా. యూ నీడ్ టు స్పెండ్ అట్లీస్ట్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్, 30 minutes to come to such a place. At least is the nearest highway we have. చేతులు దొబ్బినేరా, నంబు. 15 degrees even now. I think time is 7:45. జుట్టు అతకపోయింది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ వెన్ యూ గ్రో యువర్ హెయిర్. కొంచెం ఇఫ్ యూ పుట్ అ హెల్మెట్ అండ్ ఆల్, అతుక్కపోతుంది జుట్టు. సో ద అదర్ డే వెన్ యూ టుక్ ద డెలివరీ, ఐ ఆస్క్డ్ యూ హౌ వాజ్ యువర్ రైడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. దట్ ఈస్ ద రాంగ్ టైమ్ టు ఆస్క్. టుడే ఈస్ ద డే వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఆస్క్ హౌ ఈస్ ద రైడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. వీ డిడ్ వాట్ 20 kilometers from the city. 90% of this road till now, 20 kilometers we did. How did you feel?
Arey, after we try out this stretch, then you should ask me this question.
No, I want, and it will show the difference between city riding and this riding.
It's better in the city than I thought it would be. I was afraid that it will be even more aggressive in the riding position.
Yeah, so the
I
thing,
thought the heat will be even more than it actually is. I think we sort of worked up that image in our head
Exactly.
for so long that I thought, oh fuck, I can't even take it out in the city.
so
But it's like
mentally we
possible.
thought it is very difficult. It's going to be extremely tough, but
Yeah.
turned out to be. See, that's how it works. Your brain works.
See,
like
for
that.
a pro rider,
కెమెరా వస్తే చాలు అందరు ప్రో రైడర్స్ అయిపోతారు. సో ద ప్లాన్ ఇస్ టు గో టు జోగిపేట్ జీన్స్ వేసుకోవడానికి ఫస్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి అమేజింగ్ హైవే, ప్రాపర్ 4-lane బినై. దిస్ ఇస్ a 6-lane highway and we're going to have a lot of fun because we have such an amazing lineup. Till now I never sat on a MV Agusta. I heard this is more aggressive than the Panigale V4S, you know that? Looks very nice. ఎట్లుంది లుక్? సూట్ అయిందా? యాక్చువల్లీ కాల్ అది మై హ్యాండ్స్ ఆర్ అట్ ద సేమ్ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ మై నీస్. ఇక ఈవెన్ లోవర్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
దానికంటే అగ్రెసివ్
లోవర్. ఇట్స్ మోర్ అగ్రెసివ్ దెన్ ది V4S. బట్ స్వాగ్ ఫీల్ సో నైస్. కూర్చుంటే ఇట్లా
లారీ సౌండ్ వచ్చిందా?
ride all these bikes today.
ట్రయంఫ్ డేటోనా
దాటిపోయిందిరా,
అట్లా ఉంది.
ఇంకొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఉంది. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ లిటిల్ మోర్ అగ్రెసివ్ దాన్ ది డేటోనా ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్, బికాస్ వీ థాట్, as far as I know, Daytona is the most aggressive bike. The old one, not the current one. The current one is a port tourer.
పైన ప్రొటెక్టర్ నెక్కకు తాకుతుంది. అంత కిందికి వెళ్ళింది. ఇట్లా ఇట్లా చూస్తే తెలుస్తలేదు, పట్టుకుంటే తెలుస్తుంది. బట్ ద సీట్ ఈస్ ఫ్లాట్.
Everything is flat. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇట్లా ఫ్లాట్ ఉంది. ఒక కట్ట పెడితే ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్ట్రైట్ కట్ట పెట్టచ్చు.
డుకాటిలో ఇట్లా పైకి తీసుకుపోతుంది.
Okay, anything you want to explain about the bike? This is the first time I'm going to ride a MV Agusta in my life. F4 RR.
Have to switch on the engine if you want to try different riding mode.
Okay.
Once you switch it on, press the clutch and use the same button to
Toggle through the modes. Okay. Oh, hurry. 2 kilometers lo ichchesta, please. First of all, there's no seat. Literal stone. I can feel like plastic mukkane undi. Hard clutch. I mean, it's got a hydraulic clutch, but maybe because it's a little bit older bike, that's how it is. Whoa. అమ్మో, కాలు 2 floors పైకి ఉన్నాయి. అమ్మా, ఓకే, మంచి వర్కౌట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే రే, but that sound. So smooth, crazy smooth. This is the fun of riding a super sport, that too like a MV Agusta and all. Sounds so good and keeps you so engaged. It's like a, how do I explain yaar? Sounds like a fighter jet. I'm not exaggerating at all. Literally sounds like a fighter jet. Mad aggressive, and oh my god, you need to be very fit on this, because my neck is already aching at this position. Amma. What sound, yaar, what sound. I don't know if this is an inline 4, but it sounds so good. అసలు ఇంకో లెవెల్లో ఉంది బండి. క్రేజీ, అసలు ఎంత స్మూత్ ఉంది బండి. స్మూత్ ఉంది అండ్ ఎంగేజింగ్ ఉంది బండి. ఇట్లా రోడ్కి అతుక్కును ఇట్లా మొత్తం యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఫుల్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్. లుక్ అయితే చంపేసింది అనుకో. ఏం గుంస్తుంది తెలుసా బండి, బా. It is spitting మొత్తం పాప్స్ అండ్ బ్యాంక్స్ ఫుల్ ఓడుతున్నాయి రా. థర్డ్ గేర్లో డౌన్ షిఫ్ట్ ఇస్ లైక్ క్రేజీ. అసలు అన్ఇమాజినబుల్. నేను ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లాంటి బండి నడపలే, అట్లీస్ట్ టిల్ నౌ. గుడ్ క్రేజీ బైక్. పాప్స్ ఎట్లనే తెలుసా, మీ దగ్గరికి ఇప్పుడు స్లో అవుతుంటే పట్ 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 దివాలి వెనకాల. క్రేజీ. Falcon looks like a Falcon. One of the best looking bikes. Not one of the, for me this is the best looking bike on the planet. Panigale. Now we time to ride the new bike, the Panigale V4S. The thing is shifting directly from the MV Agusta to another super sport. Let's see how is this one. Right, this is relaxed compared to MV Agusta. This is very relaxed. Actually, this is a good bike. More practical. This is a new bike, brand new obviously, so the clutch, everything is so smooth. This relaxed bike right. అది నడుకురాక this is actually easy to ride after riding the MV Agusta. Yeah, actually I've realized super sports mein vlogging is difficult because I'm not used to that. Amma, finally coming back to home. This feels much better. Amma, idi ra relaxed ante idi. Ba. Patak per. అంతకనే ఏమేమి వీటిలో నాకు ఇవి లైక్ ప్రాక్టికల్ బైక్స్ అమ్మా. ఏంటి అవి పిచ్చాయండి. ఇట్లా మంచిగా బ్రేక్ వేస్తే మెల్లగా ఆగాలి, లారీ ఆగినట్టు. డ్రైవ్ చేస్తే మెల్లగా వెళ్ళాలి ఇట్లా. అంటే ఇట్ హ్యాస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టార్క్ బట్ కంట్రోలబుల్. ఐ మీన్ యూ నో it's in your hand, you can control the torque. Time is 10:10 and I'm still feeling cold. ఇదొకటి ఫారెన్హీట్లో చూపిస్తుంది. Before the battery gets over, let me quickly finish my vlog. 12% left. Some random place we stopped. This place is called Crema with a K. Crema with a K. So I have to tell you the way the ride went today, especially for me. We started like full inclination, full lean, almost like I was sleeping on the bike. I was talking about the MV Agusta F4 RR. I think this is the first time I'm going to take Arun into my vlog. But he rides a lot of bikes.
I try to.
What other bikes do you have?
Oh no, it always seems like an unwanted flex. I'll go in the order of
ascending order.
Yeah, age. So
age.
The oldest bike I have right now is, I believe, the Rocket.
Oh, you have a Rocket as well?
Yeah, I have a Rocket.
This I didn't know.
The OG Rocket. Then I have this one, the MV, which is a 2017. I have a 2019 Aprilia 200 factory. Then
Aprilia you have?
Yeah.
All this I didn't know. I thought he has only like 3 or 4. But these are the 3 bikes I didn't know.
And I didn't know a few cars also. I keep changing every
Cars will talk later. So then I have to come to your house once and check. Firstly, I want to check where do you park your bikes and cars, because that many bikes and cars.
I have to always do settings with the security guys. So I recently moved into a new place. Fourth one is a 2020 1250 GSA. Then there is a 2021 Ducati Hypermotard.
I mean, after riding, I'll have to honestly say this. After riding the MV Agusta F4, I felt Panigale is like a sports tourer. It's too aggressive, man. I mean, the position. Out of all, see, I started with the MV Agusta. Literally, I was sleeping and riding. Then slowly, one by one, the Panigale next. After that, I came back to the R90. And then finally, Ducati Diavel. Diavel is the best out of the lot. You can sit nicely. I mean, that shows that we are getting old, at least me. You Jeppali main. You did like 100 kilometers today? 200 kilometers chesa my wala. I don't think so.
I don't think so.
We did 200 kilometers ride Aiwala. So 200 kilometers though you have ridden 100 at
200
least?
kilometers and 200 kilometers per hour. Finished, yeah, very quickly we finished the ride.
Anta scene leather.
I really like the Panigale. I don't know why I was so concerned about how aggressive it might be. Heat is something to get used to. It's funny because we're riding in the cold weather.
Yeah.
The top half of the body was cold and the bottom half was like hot. But yeah, the riding posture is fine. Suspension is good.
Suspension is good
I thought it'd
actually.
be
Yeah,
harder
correct.
than I need to finish the run-in because after 7,500 RPM it flashes and wants me.
I don't think we need anything beyond that in these kinds of roads.
We paid for 16,000 RPM, right?
But we used only 7,000 RPM, so yeah, makes sense. One thing, you did not get a chance to ride the MV Agusta today.
No.
But if you have ridden that, you would love your Panigale more because you'll feel that it's more practical as well compared to the MV Agusta. Basically, it's the first time we are all riding like super sports and all that, so you'll get used to it. Maybe 5th or 6th time when we come for such rides, it'll be much better.
20's ZX10R like 4
years
years
ago.
ago.
That time we were fit as well, we were younger by 4 years. Age is catching up now. Backs are hurting.
All yoga poses you did. You started with this pose, then this pose. I think
Stress off
if I had to buy only one bike from all of these, I would buy the Street Fighter.
This guy like Himalaya.
Can I 1250 rale? 1250
BMW R90. I mean, I liked it as a tourer. Like, she can be my wife, but the Street Fighter can be my girlfriend.
Also, one more thing, we have a lot of riders today. After a long time, we are having so many riders for breakfast, right? And also, one more thing, we had the highest number of bikes segment. I mean, starting from adventure tourer, from the Himalayan to a crazy super sport, we had all the bike categories today.